Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody.
Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now we have a new epic seafood dish. A seafood? No, river fish. We call it crayfish. Some of will call it janga. When you know the chef's go. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you the ingredients. We have some salt and pepper right there. Some Scotch Bonnet sauce. Some onion and garlic powder. And right now guys, I'm going to build a simple marinade. So first, I'm going to come. So I'm going to rest it in the shine pan. You understand? So you can get a proper thing up and running. Deal them good. You know the shapes go. Add the Scotch Bonnet.
Yes guys, because when you're doing seafood, I don't know about you guys, but seafood and pepper, that's a must, right?
Alright, so I'm going to add a little oil to spread the flavor.
Yes guys.
Alright. Some garlic and onion powder.
In everything we do, we must have flavor and taste.
Some salt and pepper.
Our mother seasoning.
Alright guys, so now let us rub up this.
Yes guys.
And the reason why I use the oil, so it can sieve in through the shell.
Yes guys.
So
spread the flavor.
Because as I said before guys, oil spreads flavor.
Yes. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for coming. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now so you don't miss any of our uploads. And you can follow us on Instagram. Check the description for the link. We have a chef TikTok. Follow us over there. We have a lot of good content coming for you guys. So just stay tuned and drop some comments in the comment section. Give the video a thumbs up. And we're going to allow this to marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. Yes guys, so we're so forward.
Yes guys, so we're back again. So right now I'm going to put him on the grill pan.
And you wonder, grill pan, what are we doing? Yes guys, this is a Scotch Bonnet oven grill crayfish. Yes guys, our janga, for my Caribbean people who know it as janga. So that's what we're doing. And we're just shaping it how we want it. Ensure that the tail is nice and flat. Yes guys, fix up in the little feet. Yeah.
Alright guys, so now we're going to insert this in the oven.
Yes guys, and we're going to bake this at 180 degrees. And guys, we're going to allow this to bake for 5 to 8 minutes, but gradually we're going to give it a check, right? So forward. Yes guys, look at that. So forward again when we're giving it a check or when it's removal time. So forward. Yes guys, we are back. Fire is hot. Look at that guys. Once you see the color changing, you know the cooking process. Look at that. It was let us say green or blackish, but it is now getting yellow.
So now I'm going to add some Scotch Bonnet.
Orange reddish, yeah. Scotch Bonnet butter, you don't know this is a Scotch Bonnet oven grill crayfish. Yeah guys, all of them flea egg. Guys, just place your orders now, man. What you say to me? Place your orders, guys. Gonna give this a next 2 more minutes and then a ready time. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers for spam up the comment section. So forward. Yes guys, look at that. Yes, so ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers off to the plating station. Let's go. Look at that guys. Look at that. Roaring hot guys. This aroma is a perfume for the kitchen. Look at that. Such a beauty.
Alright, so I'm going to plate this up now guys, so forward.
Let's go. Yes guys, start dropping them comments. Look at that. Look at that guys. If you want exclusive content like this, check out our plating tutorial. We give you everything in a more detailed format. You don't know we detail already, but you get it more detail over there. Or mashed potato. Yes guys, and thank you so much for the love and support that you guys have been giving us. We really appreciate it. You guys don't even know how much. you mean to us, guys. So I must say thank you to everyone that's been supporting us from we were at 100 subscribers to being at 1K now, and all who are just coming, thank you for coming just the same, right? You don't know, we have to show love and appreciation. We love y'all. So drop it down in the comment section and tell us how you like the plating so far. You can leave your favorite dish from us as well. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, look at that, guys. Tell us what this remind you of, or what the scenery is painting a picture in your mind. What's the picture the scenery is painting, guys? For me, you know, like when you're protecting your prized possession, look at that. That's what I'm getting, you know. Royalty on your throne. Yes. The plating cannot be completed without garnishing. And guys, don't worry. When you guys don't see us put the veg on the plate here, it is served in a separate thing, right? And sometimes this is how the customer want it, and you don't know, we have to please the customer. The customer request comes first above everything, right? So yes. Pictures will be posted on our Instagram. Ensure that you're following the two of us, because pictures will be posted over there. Our chef TikTok, show us some love on there as well. Yes, guys, look at that. Look at that, guys.
So tell me what you think in the comment section, guys. Come on here, you know.
Look at that.
Clean up the plate now, guys. I know the things.
Alright, guys, so we soon forward. We are going to clean up the plate and come back soon forward. Yes, guys, and there you have it. Or drop it down in the comment section and tell us. That's right. Or Scotch Bonnet grilled, oven grilled crayfish or janga. Yes, guys. Follow us on Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?